Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. As you know, CBSE has already started LOC for class 10th second board exam. In today's video, I'll explain step by step how to apply for LOC. So now let's see in detail. So first step, you need to go on Google and type CBSE. The first website, which is cbse.gov.in. Just click on it. So now let's click here. So when you will go there, you are going to get this page where multiple CBSE website you are going to get. So here you need to go to the second option, which is Pariksha Sangam. So now let's click to Pariksha Sangam. Now press on continue button. Now here three options you will get: school, regional office and head office. So you need to click on school. Now here you are going to get multiple activities. Now here you need to select the exam activities. So now let's click on exam activities. Now here again second option is that class 10th improvement second board LOC submission for supplementary exam 2026. So now let's click here. So once you click on it, you are going to get this login page. So here you need to log in using your user ID and password which you have used during class 9th and 11th registration process. Then enter the security pin and click on login button. Once you log in, you are going to get this instruction page where they have clearly mentioned first you need to go on optional improvement. Then you need to click on class 10th and it will give you the list of candidate, and you need to select all the candidate who want to appear for different subject and you need to select the subject. So now you need to click on the optional improvement and then choose class 10th. Once you choose class 10th, you are going to get the list of student with their roll number and subject, and clearly they have given one instruction to you. In case of maths, both 041 which is mathematics standard and 241 which is mathematics basic is shown. You can select one. That means they have given the option to change. You can change from mathematics standard to mathematics basic or from mathematics basic to mathematics standard. So what you need to do, you need to tick on this box and choose the subject for which student want to appear for the improvement, but you cannot select more than 3 subjects. So once you tick on that candidate, that it will highlight in yellow color. So now you can choose any subject, not more than 3 subjects for the improvement. Now as you can see, I have already selected Hindi, then science and social science subject. Remember, if you select more than one language, then they will show you one error, and clearly error mention that more than one language is not permitted at serial number. Serial number is that student number for which you have selected the wrong and you won't be able to submit. Then close it, remove one language and again try to submit it. After that you are going to get this confirm the selection. Once you select all the student with the improvement list, just click on confirm selection, and once you click on confirm selection, you are going to get the list of student by clicking here application listing. If you found this video helpful, like the video, hype the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to channel for latest CBSE update.